So here we are at the Cengage Instructor Resource Center, and I want to walk through how we, in this case, pull down the test bank and load it into Moodle. So here's my instructor companion site. Thank you. Book resources, some kind of test bank. Yeah. Let me in. I accept. Thank you. Okay, oh dear, look at all these options. Cognero, Blackboard test bank files, D2L test bank, Moodle test bank files. That sounds pretty promising. So let's download this zip file, save link as, and on my desktop, I have a nice folder for this particular course. It's a BUAD 247 course. Okay, we think that is downloaded. Correctamundo. There's my zip file. Now I can't load the whole thing at once because the zip file actually contains multiple zips. So I'm going to extract here. Oh, that's interesting. Remember how it said that was the Moodle test bank file, but now it's telling me it's Blackboard? Sometimes you just got to deal with this. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of zip files for each of the chapters. So I'm just going to park that over here. I'm going to go back into my Moodle course. I was actually in the middle of doing this and I thought I would make this course. Now, so I've already done chapters 1 through 11, so I want to import chapter 12. I'll go down to Administration, Question Bank, Import. Now, what happens if I say, yes, this is Moodle, like they promised me it was? And I take chapter 12 and I drag it in here, and I say import. It says it's not Moodle, it's actually Blackboard. So let's try this again. So select the Blackboard file type. I'm working on chapter 12, so I just drag and drop chapter 12 in there, and I import it. Look at that, there's all the questions. 55 questions. Continue. Now I have in chapter 12, I've imported 55 questions for chapter 12 from the publisher test bank. The dot dot, that means true, false. These are multiple choice. Here's the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are essay questions. I don't actually want those in my category because then I can't randomly select. So I'm just going to delete. Though, yes, I do. I want to delete my essay questions. So now I've got a nice set of questions that I can put into my quiz. Next step, I'm going to go make my quiz, pull questions randomly from chapter 12. That's the process.